love your pets, but not their odor situation? Same here. My couch was starting to smell like wet dog and regret, but then I found a natural fix. And today, I'm showing you how to make a DIY pet odor eliminator that's safe, simple, and seriously effective. This isn't just another Pinterest project that sorta smells like lemon regret. This one works, and your pets stay safe, your home stays fresh. Most commercial sprays use heavy chemicals that can irritate both pets and people. But with just a few plant-based ingredients, you can neutralize odors, not just mask them. You'll need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which is a great odor neutralizer, 1 cup of distilled water, 2 teaspoons of witch hazel or vodka to bind the oils, and 15 to 20 drops of essential oils that are safe for pets. Don't forget a spray bottle you love. Oh, and avoid oils like tea tree, clove, and cinnamon. These aren't pet safe. Combine baking soda and water in a bowl. Stir until dissolved. Add your witch hazel and oils. I love using lavender, lemon, and eucalyptus for freshness with a calming touch. Pour it all into your bottle. And that's it. I call this my forgiveness spray, because even when they roll in mud, they're still my babies. So you can use it on pet beds, furniture, or even just spritz it in the air after an indoor incident. It's honestly a way of showing love to your pets, your home, and, well, yourself. We're not just trying to cover the mess. We're creating calm. And in a world that feels chaotic, even that really matters. If this helped freshen up your space, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below. What oils do you absolutely swear by in your home? I might even feature your blend next time. And oh, don't forget to hit subscribe for more DIYs that mix creativity, care, and calm, only here on Essentially Unique.